Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix MTV camera loading error problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead, go to your web browser, search in MTV and tap on MTV Video Chat option. Now as you can see, my camera will not be accessible because I have denied the camera permission. So what you need to do is first you need to check whether you have denied the camera permission or not by simply clicking on this camera icon on the top left section, and simply go ahead, turn this camera and microphone, this options turn on, so the access will be confirmed, and now you're good to go. Now if that still doesn't work, then you need to go ahead and check, simply clean your camera lenses, because as you can see, I have simply covered my camera, so even if I allow the permission, it will not be visible, obviously. The next thing would be checking your internet connection, because if your internet connection is not good, it will simply lag and stop in between, which will not make your visual clear. So check on that, and that is all you need to know. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.